Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect VMware Cloud with AWS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect VMware Cloud with AWS, you first need to ensure that you have the necessary accounts. Create an Amazon Web Services account if you do not already have one. Next, log into your VMware Cloud on AWS console. Navigate to the SDDC section on your VMware Cloud dashboard. Click on Create SDDC to start the setup process. Choose the desired region for your SDDC deployment. Select the number of hosts you wish to allocate. Pick the correct network configuration based on your requirements. Proceed to review and complete the SDDC creation. Once your SDDC is deployed, access the VMC console. From the console, navigate to the networking section. Here, configure the VMware Transit Connect for AWS. Set up the necessary routing for connectivity between your on-premises network and AWS. Next, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudFormation section. Create a new CloudFormation stack. Use the provided VMware networking template for your deployment. Configure the template with your specific parameters. Review the configuration and deploy the stack. After the deployment completes, return to your VMware Cloud console. Open the Management section and select the Interconnects tab. Create a new interconnect connection to establish the link with AWS. Follow the prompts to complete the interconnect configuration. Test the connection to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Once confirmed, you can start migrating workloads to AWS. Monitor the performance and adjust the settings as needed. You are now set up to utilize VMware Cloud with AWS effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.